Hey there, I'm Bianca, and this is Learn English with Bianca. Today I've got a short story that will inspire you to keep learning English no matter what. Let's get started. Maria was a cheerful, friendly girl who moved with her family to a small town where everyone spoke English. Her family came from a place where English wasn't commonly spoken, so Maria faced one big challenge: learning English. Every day at school, Maria struggled. When her teachers spoke quickly, she felt completely lost. Reading books in English was very hard. Sometimes Maria felt discouraged and wanted to give up. One particularly tough day during English class, Maria misunderstood a simple question from her teacher. The entire class laughed, making Maria feel deeply embarrassed and ashamed. After class, Maria was especially sad. Her English test had gone poorly, and the humiliation from her classmates' laughter still lingered painfully in her heart. On her way home, Maria sat on a park bench feeling hopeless. As she sat quietly, a wise old woman noticed her sadness and gently asked, "Why are you sad, my dear?" Fighting back tears, Maria explained her struggles with English and shared what happened in class that day. The wise woman gently held Maria's hand and said, "Maria, everyone makes mistakes. Mistakes are how we learn and become better." Then she shared several important tips on how to improve her English. 1. Practice speaking English every day, even if it's just a little. 2. Read short, simple stories to discover and remember new words. 3. Write down new vocabulary in a notebook and review these words regularly. 4. Never fear making mistakes. Mistakes show you're learning. 5. Listen to English songs and watch cartoons to sharpen your listening skills. Maria thanked the wise woman, feeling comforted and encouraged by these valuable suggestions. Later, Maria's friend Anna smiled warmly and added, "Maria, don't give up. I know you can do it. Remember, practice makes perfect." Inspired by Anna's and the wise woman's words, Maria decided she would work even harder. Each day after school, Maria had a clear routine to improve her English. She spoke only English with Anna, practicing new sentences together. She read one short English story every evening, highlighting new words and repeating them aloud. She regularly watched English cartoons and listened to songs, repeating phrases out loud to improve her pronunciation. Every night before bed, she wrote down 5 new vocabulary words in her notebook and carefully reviewed them. Gradually, Maria's English began to improve significantly. She understood more words in class and answered questions with confidence. Her teachers noticed her progress and praised her effort, which made her feel proud. One day, Maria's school announced an English speech contest. Maria was nervous, but Anna encouraged her again, saying, "You can do it. Just do your best." Maria wrote a heartfelt speech about her experience learning English. She practiced daily, speaking loudly and clearly. On the contest day, Maria stood bravely in front of everyone and spoke passionately. Learning English was not easy for me. Sometimes, especially after feeling embarrassed in class, I wanted to give up. But my friends and teachers believed in me. I learned that mistakes are part of the journey. Every day, I practiced more, and every day, I became better. Everyone clapped enthusiastically. Maria won second place. She felt incredibly happy and proud. After the contest, other students who struggled with English came to Maria for advice. She happily replied, "Of course, let's learn together." Maria realized she was not just learning English, but she was also teaching others never to give up. Remember, just like Maria, you can overcome any challenge if you keep practicing, stay positive, and never give up. Thanks for watching Learn English with Bianca. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time with another story to help you grow your English skills.